Okay, so we are doing topic 18, video F, let's practice number 3, created by shazid manjur and Basel dadsi. So the question states, if we have 3 atmosphere of diatomic hydrogen and 3 atmosphere of diatomic nitrogen in a 10-liter tank at 298 Kelvin, and they react to produce ammonia in a 65% yield, how many grams of ammonia do you produce? So step 1, what we have to do is balance the equation. So it's 3 moles of diatomic hydrogen plus 1 mole of diatomic nitrogen reacts to produce 2 moles of ammonia. So what we see is atmosphere, which is a pressure, the atmosphere, 10 liters, which is a volume, 298 Kelvin, and that automatically tells us that we have to use ideal gas law. So PV is pressure times volume equals N moles. R is gas constant, which is 0.082 times temperature, which is usually a number plus 273, which is Kelvin. So moles, we have to find moles, so that would be pressure times volume over RT, gas constant, times temperature. So we are given pressure, which is 3 atmosphere times 10 liters, which would give us 30. 0.082 is the gas constant times 298, which is a temperature, which if you multiply would give us 24.43. So when we divide 30 by 24.43, we get N equals 1.228 moles, which rounds about 1.2 moles. So step 4, we use the ratio to see that the hydrogen will actually run out first before the nitrogen. This means that hydrogen is the limiting reagent, and therefore there will be an excess of nitrogen. So in order to determine the amount of moles of nitrogen that will be actually needed, we divide 1.2 by 3 to get 0.4 moles. In order to find out the theoretical yield of moles of aluminum, we multiply 0.4 by 2 because of the ratio. From the balanced equation is 1 mole of nitrogen to 2 moles of ammonia, which gives 0.8 moles of ammonia. So according to the question, the reaction has a 65% yield. So we divide 65 by 100 because of the percentage to get 0.65. Then we multiply that by 0.8 moles of ammonia to get the actual yield of 0.52 moles of ammonia. But we are not done yet, because we now have to answer the question which wants us to find out how many grams of ammonia we produce. In order to do that, we multiply moles times the molar mass to get the mass, which is 0.52 moles of ammonia times 17 grams of ammonia to get 8.84 grams. Also on the side, I have a neat trick, kind of a mnemonic to remember the moles equals mass over molar mass. So in the triangle, if you're trying to find mass, all you have to do is times moles times molar mass. And if you want to find moles divided by molar mass. And if you want to find molar mass, just divide mass divided by mole. And congratulations, we arrived at the answer. Thank you for your time.